Oh, it was very fun and enriching.
It was very fun and enjoyable.
I liked it as we played fun games.
It was very fun and I found it very educative.
We learned about what the different roles in a production and what they do.
There are many other roles behind the actor which are also very important.
I understand the role of each people that conducted the plays.
Now I know that there are other roles besides being an actor, so I may consider them if I do not get the job of an actor.
And it benefits me as now that I appreciate the other people that work on the production instead of just the actor.